Superior Court is now in session. The Honorable Robert D. Krause presiding.
Matter before the Court of State of Rhode Island versus Albert Hamlin, P1 2010 1880 AG.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at this time, the state is going to be recommending a 20-year sentence with a 5-year period to serve at the ACI with the balance to be suspended on the charges for which the court has recently articulated. He is a high-volume drug dealer. And because of that, the state is recommending 5 years to serve. One of the reasons the state is offering that as a recommendation to the court is based on his substantial cooperation with the state police when this case finally ended, March 4th, 2010. And that cooperation manifested itself, in a controlled call that was made from this defendant to Joseph Coughlin, a Providence police officer, who was aiding him in his criminal enterprise. Because of his cooperation throughout the course of the prosecution, there is no question that every single one of those defendants' cases resolve themselves quickly.
Judge, Mr. Hamlin certainly recognizes the severity of the crime in this case, the severity of the enormity of the crime, the multiple crimes committed in this case. But, Judge, I do believe, in Mr. Hamlin's defense, this is the first time that not only has he ever been charged with a crime, he's never even been arrested prior to that date.
No, Mr. Hamlin, this was not a short-term frolic by you. From your own admission to the probation office, this went on for years. You were, in effect, an apothecary for illegal drugs. And add to that mix, you even fraudulently masqueraded as a police officer, stole money. So great was your happiness. And for all of that, Mr. Hamlin, you must be held accountable. On the sentences contained and referred to in counts 1 through 7, 13 through 21, 43 through 45, 20-year top numbers shall be imposed on each one. And count 11, a 10-year top number be imposed. And I tell you, in all honesty, Mr. Hamlin, were it not for the recommendation of the state this afternoon, I would impose a more severe sentence. But I will accept the recommended sentence by the state, and on those counts shall serve 5 years. All counts shall be served concurrently. We give credit for whatever time is due for the health of this case. When you are finally released, Mr. Hamlin, to society, I hope it is true, as counsel has pointed out, that you can make your way into a productive portion of the citizenry. If you don't, I tell you now that surely as day follows night, if you get in trouble again, I will put you back in jail for the remainder of the sentences. Defendants remain in custody this time.
All